Get ready to burn more calories in just 5 minutes than an hour of jogging. Welcome to Fitness Surge Men. In 3, 2, 1, go. Let's start with skater hops. Skater hops are excellent for cardiovascular health and fat loss. Start in a slight squat, leap sideways to land on one leg, then jump back to the other. Maintain balance and a controlled landing. This exercise mimics the movement of speed skaters and helps build agility and strength. Ten seconds left. Coming up next, plank side kick through. In 3, 2, 1, go. Hit like, share the fitness, and subscribe for more. Ding that bell for updates. Plank side kick throughs engage your core and boost cardiovascular endurance. Begin in a plank position, kick your right leg under and across your body, then return and repeat on the other side. This dynamic move enhances core stability and overall body strength. Ten seconds left. Next exercise, bicycle V-up. In 3, 2, 1, go. Bicycle V-ups target your abs and improve core strength. Lie on your back, lift your legs and shoulders off the ground, and mimic a cycling motion while performing a V-up. This exercise is highly effective for sculpting your midsection and enhancing flexibility. Ten seconds left. Coming up next, squat jack. In 3, 2, 1, go. Squat jacks combine cardio with strength training. Start with feet apart, jump into a squat while moving your feet together, then jump back to the starting position. This exercise boosts your heart rate, burns calories, and tones your legs and glutes. Ten seconds left. Coming up next, jumping jack toe touch. In 3, 2, 1, go. Jumping jack toe touches enhance coordination and cardiovascular fitness. Perform a jumping jack, then bend down to touch your toes as you land. This move increases your heart rate, burns fat, and improves flexibility. Ten seconds left. Last exercise, cross climber on an elevated surface. In 3, 2, 1, go. Hit like, share the fitness, and subscribe for more. Ding that bell for updates. Cross climbers on an elevated surface ramp up your cardio and core workout. Place hands on the couch. Drive knees diagonally towards your elbows in a mountain climber motion. This exercise is great for improving heart health and core stability, used by many athletes for conditioning. Perform this workout regularly for best results. Check out the recommended workout plan in the description. Keep pushing with Fitness Surge Men. 10 seconds left. You've conquered this workout with sheer determination. Impressive work. We're thrilled to see you crush it and would love to hear about your experience in the comments below. There's more to achieve and we're right here with you. Keep the momentum going, click on the video thumbnail on your screen, and accept your next challenge.